Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Mbakwa Phosphate Academy. We are we are going to be working with chemistry right now, and we are working with chemistry from 1. Mbakwa Phosphate Academy of Science and Technology. Subject chemistry. This is from 1 work, and we are looking at introduction. So what is chemistry all about? Chemistry is all around and about us. That is chemistry. Can you just look around you? You can pick some item. I'm looking around me here. I have some phones. That is chemistry. I can see this book is chemistry. This book is chemistry. So how did the color on your clothes come about? You see I'm wearing a white lab jacket here. How did the color come about? This is chemistry. Do you know that glass is made from sand? Interestingly, glass you use to drink your water is made from sand. Can you imagine that? Now, can you look at the pictures below in figure 1? Let's see the result of chemistry in our everyday life. This is chemistry. When you go to your kitchen, you see chemistry. These kitchen utensils. All the items you see in your kitchen is chemistry. All the items you see in your kitchen is chemistry. So can you look at the farm tools and the equipment? This is all about chemistry. Can you see this? This is chemistry, the wheelbarrow, the hose, the watering can, the sprinkler. You see here the axe. Chemistry, our alarm rule. Spade. You have the shovel there. Fork is chemistry. Rakers, chemistry. So can you imagine this? All these are part of chemistry that we use everyday life. This chemistry in agriculture. Those who do farming, you see chemistry there. That is chemistry. Now look at chemistry in medicine. All the drugs you take, you can try to make it big. And you see all the drugs, the paracetamol, the ibuprofen, it's all about chemistry. So we see chemistry in drugs. So chemistry is used to the production of these drugs. We have chemistry in drugs. That is chemistry. This is chemistry in medicine. You see it? You can have the solution here. This cough syrup, this antiseptic, oral lotion, body lotion. This is chemistry all around you. Remember, we say chemistry is all around you. All around you. What about dressing? What about dressing? Can you see this? Look at dressing. Yeah. This is chemistry. Everything about what you are wearing right now is chemistry. Look at the fibers, the different fibers, the thread you use. These are thread. This is all about chemistry. In the industry, we have chemistry. Yeah, this is chemistry. Or what you use, those who go to paint using hair net, all this is chemistry. Everything about us is chemistry. So we want to go to what is chemistry today. So we say that chemistry is defined as the study of the composition. Yeah, you have to take note. The study of the composition, properties, and the changes that matter undergoes. Yeah, changes that matter undergoes. So we say that, we will see in chemistry that there are 2 kinds of changes. We'll say that we have what we call the physical and what we call the chemical change. We'll see that in our next lesson. We'll see the physical and the chemical change. So it is the study of all material that make up the things that we see and feel around us. all the things we see and feel around us. Look at air. Can you imagine what air is made up of? You'll be surprised to know that air that we breathe is made up of nitrogen, 78% oxygen. You see, I'm writing chemistry. You are going to see that when you're beginning to understand chemistry. This nitrogen like this, as I've just written this is nitrogen. This is oxygen. Carbon dioxide. You see, the air we breathe is made up of all these. Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases. Inert gases. You know all these terms as we proceed in chemistry. Inert gases. And can you imagine that? So we also see that there's dust particle in air. We also see there is smoke, rock, liquid. All what we feel around us is chemistry. So, etc. Composition means the way in which something is made. The way in which something is made up. The way in which something is made up. That is what composition means. It means that you come to the thing. For example, we take air. We have seen air. What are in air that, what make up air? We start thinking about nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases, dust particle, water vapor. Those are all the components that make up air. And you just say there was wind. That is all the things that are in air. So that is the composition of air. Now, what is matter? Matter is anything that has weight. And of course, you need to know that something that has weight must first of all have mass, because we always convert the mass to weight. You see that weight is equals to mg, where this m is the mass and this g is the acceleration due to gravity. Yeah, so we see we can always get the mass, yeah, and convert it to weight. So anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Of course, you are going to see that subsequently matter could be solid, matter could be liquid, and matter could also be gas or gaseous. So chemistry assists us to understand what materials are made of, how and why materials behave as they do. There are some materials that react faster than the other. How new material might behave. In chemistry, we can also predict the future. We say, how can new material behave? How to make new material which will be useful to us. With the knowledge of chemistry, chemists every blessed day, they are going to be developing new material. And they are looking at different materials and how they can be useful to us. How to extract and use material from the earth or from the plant. That is chemistry. And now we say that somebody who practices chemistry is called a chemist. Take note. So, if you practice chemistry, you study chemistry and practice chemistry, you are called a chemist. So, chemistry is one of the science subjects you study in secondary school. This lesson is for Form 1 students. And so, I'm sure you must have been hearing about chemistry probably just for the first time. And this is one of the science subjects that you are going to be looking at in secondary school. So chemistry is a science subject. We want to quickly look at what is science. What is science? We explained that science is the systematic study of nature. Science is the systematic study of nature. So science is the process of acquiring. You acquire useful knowledge, acquiring useful knowledge about the object around us. We study the object around us. What are the books made of? How is it that I can pick up a phone and make a call? It's sciences. So other science subjects that we are going to be studying will include biology, physics, geology. Apart from chemistry, we already mentioned that chemistry is a science subject. So a scientist is someone who specializes in the study of science. Someone who specializes in the study of science is called a scientist. Take note. Someone that specializes in the study of science is called a scientist. So, that's all for this lesson. The next lesson we'll be looking at will be some career. We'll be looking at some career opportunity. Or some career opportunities for a science student. For a science student. So please I wish you give me some 10 careers opportunities. Give me 10 careers. You send to me 10 career opportunities. 10 career opportunities in chemistry. 10 careers opportunity in chemistry. Thank you. Bye-bye.